In this video, we're going to go over how to read your dashboard. So you'll be able to navigate to the dashboard by going to the menu and selecting on Dashboard. From here, depending on your plan, you may have multiple tabs or you may just have the inbox placement tab. You'll see here on the left, these are all of your different hosts or your infrastructures that we've set up, and you can navigate between the different ones just by clicking on them. Here you can see how the inbox health is over the last, right now it's currently 7 days for that particular infrastructure. You can go ahead and hover your mouse over any one of these items and you can see the percentages of how many went to the inbox and how many went to spam. So 100% means 100% went to the inbox, and the lower the percentage is, it means the more that are going to spam. If you see, in this particular case, we see Yahoo 0. We didn't currently send any to Yahoo, that's why it's set to 0. If you can, just so you have an idea for that. We're scrolling over here and we can see what has happened over time. We can change this from 7 days to 30 days to get a little bit better view of it. You can also cross filter. So if you want to just look at the stats for, say, today, you can click on it. And that will show you all the results just for today. So you can cross filter by day. You can also cross filter by week using this here and see what happened for that particular week. You can see the health for each one of the mail servers. This is the different ESPs that we're sending to, and you can cross filter these as well. You can see the sender IPs. So these are the IP addresses that you sent from to these accounts. So this is going to be the IPs that your infrastructure is using. These could be Amazon Web Server, or this could be Google, or these could be Constant Contact, for example. You can also see the health for each particular IP to see if one of them is doing better than another one. You can see the list, the unsubscribed post. There's some new regulations that we'll just put in place with Google and Yahoo to make sure you have one click unsubscribe, depending on the volume that you're sending. And this allows you to track if that's in the emails or not. You can see the receiver domain. You can see the sender address. So this is the particular address that you're going to be sending from. This is the ones that's associated with that host or that infrastructure. You can see if one is doing better than another one. You can sort by the email subject. You can also see the SMTP mail from. Then if you scroll down, you can actually see the individual actions for each particular one that was received. And you can see what is happening with that item. And if you have the engagement settings enabled, then it will remove from spam. And if it's a Google account, it can actually mark it as important as well. It's important to note that if the spam folder is checked, that means it landed in spam. If it's not checked, then it did not land in spam. Now we can see a breakdown of the individual headers for each one of the emails as well. And this is the technical configuration. So the DKIM pass, this is one of the settings. You want to make sure that's true. The DMARC, you want to make sure that's true. And you want to make sure the SPF is true. If any of these are not true, then there is a problem with the authorization for that particular email account. You can also see the individual sender IP for each individual email as it breaks down, the list unsubscribed value and the list unsubscribed post value here. Hopefully that all makes sense. If you have any questions about this video or anything, any ideas on how we can improve this interface, we're always looking to update it. Definitely let us know. Thanks so much, and bye-bye.